Here we are at Tijuana, Mexico, our office, and I'm here with...
Lily.
Now, what part of the world are you from?
I'm from Austin, Texas.
Austin, Texas. What brought you out this far?
Um,
Well, I know you came with mom, dad, and a bunch of sisters. Okay, so what were you doing? What was your experience like? Because you drove a long way.
well, actually, we didn't drive, we flew.
I'll bet her arms were tired. No, that's an old joke. So what's your experience been like? Do you like Tijuana? Is my team really good here? Did you have fun getting adjusted?
I had fun doing everything. Your team was great.
You weren't scared or anything?
Well, I was a little scared at the beginning, but after when I got adjusted, I felt better and I wasn't scared anymore.
The biggest thing, kids don't need to be re-educated. Kids are smart. They could be, because it's unusual, and normally when you go to doctors are scary. Okay, I'm not scary. Dr. Blanco's not scary. But, it's a different experience when you're having fun, and you feel better afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what could you tell kids out there that might be, worried? They might have, like seizures or brain stuff or asthma or all the stuff that kids have. What would you tell them? Because they're scared. They're doing stuff that doesn't make sense. They're going to take drugs or something. What could you tell them?
I could tell them that you should come to Mexico and visit Dr. Bergman and his team. They'll fix you right up.
Okay, are you a professional TV person or...
I've never done anything like this.
Okay. You did really good, dear. Thank you so much. This kind of stuff is so inspiring because I just talked to one of my friends who's 6'4", 300 pounds, and says, "Isn't it scary in Tijuana?" And I said, "You got to talk to Lily." Okay, I got a tough kid. Okay, she is taller than me, but yeah, she's tough. Take care of yourself. Be smart. Is your body smart?
Yes.
That's more than doctors know. Is your body self-healing and self-regulating?
Yes.
Get this education in the rest of the healthcare field. Want to say anything else?
Thank you.
God bless y'all.